According to a statement published Tuesday by the Ministry of Housing and Urban-Rural Development, China urged efforts to expedite the building of pocket parks across the country to improve people's living environments. Pocket parks refer to small outdoor public spaces covering an area of between 400 to 10,000 square meters. China aims to build at least 1,000 pocket parks in 2022. The statement added that local authorities should give priority to choosing indigenous plants for the parks, and give full consideration to the needs of nearby residents in building the parks.
近年来，济州区充分利用废弃荒地、坑塘、垃圾场，架设了20多个口袋公园，为市民提供了休闲纳凉的好去处。
我们呢，最早呢，大概建了3到5个口袋公园。在这个探索之后呢，我们呢就在这个珠江新城区域建设了14个口袋公园。接下来呢，我们会在这个黄埔大道以北这个区域呢，再规划建设10个口袋公园。
以前都是一条马路脏乱差，现在呢，我们建完口袋公园以后，居民就是说看着绿树成荫啊，特别爱到这儿来休闲呀、活动啊。
我们呢就觉得就跟家门口的公园一样，那个每天这个出来遛遛弯啊，走走路啊，锻炼锻炼，确实是真是不错。